As most of you know, Microsoft Inspire was now recent, and I kind of monitored the tweets. I wasn't fortunate to be there, but I was very inspired by the tweets I saw about the Microsoft Power Platform. So that would include Flow and Power Apps and Power BI and, of course, Dynamics 365 and all these cool things we can put together. And I decided to do a bit of a series around building that Power Platform in your company. And I'm going to use a lot of different apps to do so. And in this first example, I want to look at building something with SharePoint and then modifying it with Power Apps. So we're going to go to our SharePoint site, and I'm going to go to settings, and I'm going to go add an app. And I'm going to build a custom list, which is used for visitor check-ins. So definitely starting small. So let's figure this out. So visitor check-in form, ways I create my apps with acronyms. And then, of course, I can go and to the settings and just rename this app. So the fields that I want in that form, I'm going to use the title field as the name of the visitor. And I need the visitor mobile number. At some point you can send them SMSs as well, I suppose, and also use this for if there's an issue on the site. I'm going to use a single line of text for that. The purpose of the visit, so create a column, we're going to use a choice. And these will be delivery into, oh, my spelling's terrible today. Okay, we'll do a drop down and take that out. And then I also want to create person to see, and I'm going to use a person or group picker. Let's create time in. I'm going to use a date and time. I'm actually going to use date and time, and I'm going to set the default value to today so that it actually logs the specific time when the visitor comes in. And then the last one I want to add is a vehicle registration. And we'll leave that as a single line of text. So let's take a look at our form. So if I go new, name of visitor, visitor mobile number, person to see, purpose of visit, person to see, time in, and vehicle registration. So what I want to achieve is I want to create a Power App with this, which I then publish to all my security personnel, and they can have a smart device at the gate, which the visitor can then just fill their details in on. And of course, we can modify this further because I get that person's name from AD or Active Directory. I can then send them a mail through Flow and say, how's it, dude? Your visitor is here to see you. So let's do that up next, and we'll take a look on how we're going to make that better with Power Apps. Chat soon.